comatose and making it all okay. When I come back down, it doesn't feel the same. Now I'm sitting around waiting for the world to end all day, 'cause I can't let go, just can't let go. No, I can't let go, just can't let go. Every time I try to make a change, turn around and fuck out all my brains. It's chemical. No, I can't let go. It's chemical.